gotta get off me.
Daddy, no. No, get off. No. My gosh, you stupid bird. Right? Charlie, there's your goldfish.
He can't find the bird. Teddy bear. Teddy.
Where'd he go?
Teddy, over here. Look, there's the bird. Teddy bear. Oh my lord. That was absolutely hilarious.
Okay, come on, Teddy.
Hold on. I want to see him find him. I'm picking up my backpack though, because that's got
Where'd he go?
right there. Charlie was, or Teddy was chasing. Teddy.
We should have just kept the couch tipped over like that. See what my mom says when she comes home.
Uh oh.
He stepped on the puppy. He stepped all over the puppy. Calm down.
No, let him do it. Let him do it.
It's just a bird. Just gonna start it all up again. Teddy! He's like, I'm gonna get that bitch. Are you videotaping?
Yes.
Did you videotape it whenever he tipped over the couch?
Yes, I think so. Screw the dog park. I should just bring him to your house.
Go get enough rain. Then you're gonna put a hole in the wall. You paw print on the wall now.
Oh my god. Fly, birdie, fly.
He's doing it on purpose.
I hope that's Joe's stuff, not
Yeah,
yours.
it's fine. Uh-oh.
Oh no. Oh no.
Get out of the kitchen. He's gonna break stuff.
Teddy bear.
You're gonna burn your paw.
Teddy bear, get down. You damn bird.
Okay, I think it's time for him to go.
The bird's just like, fuck you, bitch. Fuck you.
Love is a vampire.
This is the longest video I've ever done. Why is Honey following me? Charlie. Shh. Yeah, you better lay down, you little baby. You little baby.
Just a birdie. I'm totally taking